Here, two questions are asked. Total mark is 5. First question, upper half of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. Draw a ray diagram to show the formation of image of an object placed at a distance of 2f from such a lens. Mention the position and nature of the image formed. State the observable difference in the image obtained if the lens is uncovered. Give reason to justify your answer. In this question, first we should draw a diagram to show the formation of image. And also we should mention the position and nature of the image formed. Then state the observable difference in the image formation when the lens is uncovered. Also we should give the reason to justify the answer. This is the diagram of image formation when half part of the lens is covered. This is the object and this is the image. When the object is placed at 2f, position of the image at 2f on the opposite side of the lens. The nature of the image is real, inverted and same size as the object. Even though half of the lens is covered, the image still formed at the same position with the same size and nature. The observable difference is the brightness becomes less. That is, the image becomes dimmer. This happens because every part of a convex lens forms a complete image. Reason: covering half of a convex lens does not change the image formation. It only reduces the brightness of the image. Second question, an object is placed at a distance of 30 cm from the optical center of a concave lens of focal length 15 cm. Use lens formula to determine the distance of the image from the optical center of the lens. Here, the object distance given, also focal length given. We should find the image distance. U is equal to minus 30 cm. The object is placed in front of the lens, so the distance becomes negative. F is equal to minus 15 cm. Focal length of a concave lens always negative. We can use lens formula to find the image distance. Lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. After substituting the values, then calculation, we will get minus 3 by 30. It becomes minus 1 by 10. That is 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 10. So v is equal to minus 10 centimeter. That is, the image distance is negative 10 centimeter. Draw a ray diagram to show the path of the refracted ray in each of the following cases. A ray of light incident on a concave lens. First one parallel to its principal axis and second one is directed towards its principal focus. Here we need to draw a ray diagram to show the path of the refracted ray when light ray incident on a concave lens when it is parallel to principal axis and it is directed towards its principal focus. When light ray parallel to principal axis, refracted ray diverges and appears to come from focus. When light ray directed towards focus, the refracted ray becomes parallel to its principal axis. Second question, a 4 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length 24 cm. The distance of object from the lens is 16 cm. Find the position and size of image formed. Given values are height of object h is equal to 4 cm, Focal length of convex lens f is equal to plus 24 centimeter. Object distance u is equal to minus 16 centimeter. For a convex lens, object distance is negative. We can use lens formula to find the image distance. Lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Then 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus 1 by u. Then substitute the values. Finally, we will get minus 1 by 48. 1 by v is minus 1 by 48. Then v is equal to minus 48 centimeter. The image is formed on the same side as the object. Now we can find out the size of the image. Magnification m is equal to h dash by h, where h dash is the height of the image and h is the height of the object. It is given as 4 centimeter. H dash by h is equal to v by u. Now substitute the values. Then h dash by 4. Value of h is 4. And the value of image distance is negative 48 and object distance is negative 16. Then minus 48 by minus 16 we will get 3. Then h dash is equal to 3 into 4, that is equal to 12 centimeter. Size of the image is 12 centimeter.